Hello, everyone. My name is Irina Milona, and I am the learning designer who worked with Mohammed to make this course come to life. There's a lot to say about the learning experience and how we designed this course, but there's only one thing that stands out for me, and that is the fact that our courses are built with you in mind, considering your learning aims alongside your busy schedule. We use the latest research in learning design methodology. What this means for you is that we ensure the course is a rigorous, high quality learning experience which equips you with actionable and transferable skills that you can then take forward into your personal or your professional contexts. Now, you might be wondering, how do we do that? Right? So let me walk you through it. First, we harness the power of active learning and practical application. What I mean by that is that you won't be left to read page after page of text or sit through lots of multiple videos and series of video lectures. Our courses blend new information with active tasks. For example, short activities that allow you to check your understanding. And then you're asked to apply this new knowledge in a real context and get feedback on your work. Our learning design team is both led and inspired by research. And one thing we know from immersing ourselves in research is that people learn as much from each other as they do from experts. So in our courses, including this one, we make use of social learning. Social learning can look like many things in a course, and particularly in this course, you will spot it in interactions like discussion boards or an interaction whiteboard tool called Miro. And we also have a social annotation tool called Hypothesis. All of this is monitored by our tutors, and these are the people who will be your guides through the entire experience. They facilitate and contribute to the in course interactions, and what's even better is that they are also there to support you as you're going through the course. So, for example, if you're struggling with a concept or you need support with an assignment, you can just reach out to them via the Canvas inbox, which is our built in messaging system. So, as I mentioned earlier, we build these courses with you and your busy schedule in mind. And you will notice that the majority of the course is asynchronous or self-paced, meaning that you can work through the material in your own schedule, at your own time, within the allotted time frame. And the choice to have most of the material presented in this way was made with you in mind, because as a professional learner with a busy schedule, we know your time is valuable and we want to craft experiences that fit around your workload. We also know that you want to learn from each other. You might also want to meet other like-minded individuals, meet your tutor, and of course, meet Mohammed. So to bring you all together, we have planned and designed weekly live sessions, and you will know when these sessions are to happen. So you can fit them around any other personal or professional commitments you might have. But from a learning design perspective, we see this live time as your chance to ask questions on the content, maybe take a deeper dive into a particular topic, or talk to other like minded professionals. And I should also not forget to mention that these live sessions are recorded and they're posted on Canvas for you to watch again. And this is helpful because you might not be able to attend, or you might have something that you want to go back on and review. So that's helpful to have it there. All of these synchronous and asynchronous interactions are brought to life by Canvas, which is our best in class virtual learning environment. And through this video, you have been seeing snippets of content on Canvas, which are taken from a similar course in our portfolio. The learning design environment for this course will be very similar in terms of look and feel. What is important to say also about Canvas is that it provides a clear platform that is super easy to navigate. So through this seamless navigation, you can easily engage with content so that you have then more time to focus on learning and you spend less time on trying to find stuff. This creates an effective learning experience, and you can easily browse through different modules, and you can also track your progress via a progress bar. As far as content presentation is concerned, we have a number of different methods to create clear layouts. We include a balanced blend of text, imagery, interactive activities, and you can explore a variety of videos from the course lead as well. The combination of these tools means that the course is not just a case of reading complex chunks of text and then reading more articles, but instead it's an engaging process with you at the heart of it, driving every page in the journey. You can read text, you can then practice via interactions, you can watch videos and reflect on them, and then you can also at the end of the module bring it all together by testing and embedding your learning. um, I should also say Canvas allows you to populate your learner profile with images and bios, and you can also share your socials if you want to. And this enables you to grow your network and connect further with fellow participants if you want to. So, with all that said and done, I just want to return to what I said at the start of this video, that our courses are built with you in mind. We want you to learn as much as possible and we want you to succeed. And we build these experiences based on your goals. We keep updating them based on recent advances and we keep refining them based on your feedback. So I hope this gave you an insight as to how this course aligns with your aims and your workload. And with that, I will conclude this learning design overview and hand back over to the team for more information.